5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. And 60, 3 left, 80. 2 left, 2 right, 2 left. To turn square right over gravel. 40. And caution, late 4 left, slippy, watch it. Into long 2 right, watch this now. Into long 2 right after. Into slow 3 left and 5 left at the gate. So slow 3 left and 5 left at the gate. Watch it, Dylan. 40. 4 right and 2 left, 2 right. 2 left, 2 right after this now. And fast 3 right and 1 left past the wall and flat crest. 130. And stop square right at the gate. At your brake and stop square right. 100 out of it. 100 out. And tight 3 left and 2 right. You've only 60 over rough and a stop square left in at the gate, stopping it. 60, 1 right 200 over bumps. 1 right 200 over bumps and stop 5 right at the post. Stop 5 right at the post, watch your brake and 40. Crest into short 4 left in. Crest short 4 left in and 2 left 2 right. In the now. 2 left 2 right. And caution, long 2 right over crest and tightens to a 4 right over mud, tightens to a 4, watch your mud, 40, 5 left. 5 left here, watch it. And crest, 3 right in, slippy. 3 right in, now slippy. 170 over bumps. And a stop 5 right. And long crest. Into 3 left, 2 right, watch your line. And 130 over bumps. And a fast 3 right, watch your bumps now as well. 130, fast 3 right. 100 and turn square left. And you're flat all the way to your chicane now. Go out of it, go. 80. Come on. Right on flat crest. Going out whole way. 80. And a flat 1 right over crest. 200 over bumps. And all the way to your chicane. Right entry, 4 bales. And jump. 40. Come on. Flat crest jump. 150. Go out of it now.
Mark, that's a little bit.
Yeah. 150 and jump and slow 2 left. Into chicane left entry 5 bales. Good man, good man. Left entry 5 bales and turn 5 left. 250. 250 out of it. Go now. And turn square right narrows before the gate. Square right narrows. And 1 left. And right on crest. 1 left. And tight 3 right. 60. Right on bump. And care 3 left over crest narrows into 2 left. Into 2 left. And long 2 right over bumps. And crest jump. Long 2 right here and crest jump. 60. Crest jump. And slow. Only 40. 5 left. Neat. Watch it. 5 left. Neat. Watch it. Opens with 3 left over crest. And caution 5 right in, slippy. Caution 5 right in, slippy now. 60, 4 right slippy. 4 right slippy here. And 2 left. 60, 4 right. 4 right here, watch it. 40, short 4 left. 40 again, and a tight 3 right in. Tight 3 right in. 40 and a stop 5 right. You have 40, stop 5 right. And care 3 left over crest neat. Care 3 left over crest neat. And 3 left past the shed. Right on crest jump. 80. And a short 5 right. Watch it, Dylan. Short 5 right. And 2 left tightens. 3 left 40. And tightens 3 left now. 1 left. Go out of it. 80. Right on flat crest. 130. All the way to your stop. Square left. Caution on it. Go. Stay going now. Stay going. Stop. Square left. Slippy and neat. Watch it now. 60 over mud. And 3 right slippy. 60. 5 right slippy. What's your 5 right now? You have it, come on. And 1 left. And 4 right, come on. 4 right here. And 2 left. And 1 right. 60. Slow 3 right into fast 4 left. Into fast 4 left now. 170. And then turn a tight hairpin right around the bales. Tight hairpin left around the bales. 850, go over now, Jill, go. All the way to your skin, all the way to your skin now. Go, boy, go. Keep the head now, yeah?
Yeah.
Come on. Watch your bales now, Jill, into the chicane. You've a right entry, 3 bales. All the way now, all the way. It's a 3 board. Watch your braking now. 2 board. Oh, 1. Come on. Right entry, 4 bales. You're 400 out of it. And the fast 3 left. Watch it, Dylan. Remember, watch this now.
Yeah.
All the way to it. It's slippy. Get a right line into it. And a small flat crest after 200. Come on, go, go, go. Come on.
Marker flat.
Yeah. And a flat 1 left. 150. Watch your boards. Remember this.
Yeah.
And a chicane right entry, 4 bales. Flat, flat, flat. Go. Watch your braking now as well. Right entry, 4 bales. Into a long 4 right. 100 now. And turn square right. Square right, go with it. It's all slippy down here now, little. 80. Short 4 left, in, shiny now, shiny.
Yeah.
And long flat 2 right, opens 1 right. Long flat 2 right, opens 1 right, 100. And a crest 2 right, line 2 left. Crest 2 right, line 2 left. 60. And caution 3 left into tight 3 right. Caution on it, 3 left into tight 3 right. 1 left and wide 3 right. Remember your right 3 right. And 1 left, 100. 1 left, only 60. Turn hairpin left. Slippy, Dylan. 100 out of it. And a flat 2 right. Flat 2 right now, go. 60. Flat 1 left. Stop 1 right into fast 4 right in. Stop 1 right into fast 4 right in. And 1 left. 80. 3 right. And slow 3 left. And short 5 right. Short 5 now. And 3 left. And 1 right. Roger. 3 left and 1 right. 80. Flat 1 right, 130 all the way to your finish. You have a 3 left at the pole after you're finished.
Alright,
Come on.
Joyce.
Well done. 7:27.